are available. Today we will move to discuss about ozone layer and how it is getting depleted. Ozone is a molecule formed by the three atoms of oxygen, while O2, which we normally refer to as oxygen, is essential for all aerobic forms of life. Ozone is a deadly poison. However, at the higher levels of the atmosphere, ozone performs an essential function. It shields the surface of the earth from ultraviolet radiations from the sun. This radiation is highly damaging to organisms. For example, it is known to cause skin cancer in human beings. Ozone at the higher levels of the atmosphere is a product of ultraviolet radiation acting on oxygen molecule. The higher energy ultraviolet radiation split apart some molecular oxygen into free oxygen atoms. These atoms then combine with the molecular oxygen to form ozone as shown. The amount of ozone in the atmosphere began to drop sharply in the 1980th century. This decrease has been linked to synthetic chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons, which are used as refrigerants and in fire extinguishers. In 1987, the United Nations Environment Programme succeeded in working an agreement to free CFC production at 1986 levels. It is now mandatory for all manufacturing companies to make CFC free refrigerators throughout the world. This is the explanation about ozone layer and how it is getting depleted. Thank you.